Good morning. I have Lily. I have Lily to help with the bell ringer today. Hi, good morning. I'm letting Kevin sleep in today. Today is Wednesday, April the 15th, 2020. If you've got your bell ringer sheet, you're going to write here, Wednesday, Wednesday. And today is April. Yesterday was 14, so what comes after 14? 15. And the year is still 2020. So it's Wednesday, April 15th, 2020. And to write that in numerical form, you're going to write 04 for April, because it's the fourth month, 15, because it's the 15th day, and 20, because it's the 20th. The year is 2020. So here I'm going to write 04, 15, 20. And you see here I use dashes, and here I use, these are called like backslash, so you can do it either way is correct. All right, let's read through the days of the week and the months. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. There are 7 days in a week, and today is Wednesday, hump day. We're halfway through the week. All right, let's read through the months together. January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. There are 12 months in a year, and the month that we're in right now is April. All right, let's pick a number for today. Today I picked the number 17. So we'll come to our bell ringer paper and we'll write 17. If you already did this morning and you picked a different number, that's fine too. All right, so if we're going to subtract from 17, or we're going to take one less, we're going to go backwards. And one less than 17 is 16. If we want to know one more than 17 or add one, we're going to move forward to the right and we get 18. We want to know what 10 less is. We're going to take 10 steps backwards. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And we get 7. And then if we want to know what 10 more than 17 is, we're going to count forward 10 spaces. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And the answer is 27. So we're going to come over to our bell ringer and fill that in. 1 less is 16. 1 more is 18. 10 less is 7. And 10 more is 27. All right, on the back of your paper, I checked the weather on my phone this morning. It's 57 degrees and raining. I heard the rain this morning when I woke up, so I'm not sure if it's raining at your house, but it was definitely raining at my house this morning. So today's weather is 57. You notice it's a lot cooler than it was yesterday, and raining. Okay, to do our date, which is the 15th in coins, we're going to use 2 coins today. We're going to use the coin that's worth 10 cents, which is a dime, and the coin that's worth 5 cents, which is a nickel. And we can use our touch points to add those 2 coins together by going 5, 10, 15, and we get 15 cents. 5, 10, 15. All right, and our story today, our headline today is the Disney Sing-Along. So you guys can look online and you can find some of your favorite Disney songs. I know you guys really like to sing some Disney songs, some of you do. And you can sing along with some Disney karaoke online, which sounds fun. So yesterday we had a story about Disney too. It might even be on the Disney website where you can sing along if you checked out the Disney website yesterday. All right, that's it for our bell ringer today. If you look at your assignment sheet for this week, you should have finished everything for Monday, everything for Tuesday. Today is Wednesday. So you're going to complete the bell ringer, which we just did together, or you could do it on your own. For your vocational living skill today, I want you to make yourself a snack. One of my favorite snacks is to make a peanut butter and jelly sandwich. So maybe you could do that for yourself or make a snack for someone in your family. I want you to review and type your vocabulary words that were in that packet that I gave you guys this week. Hopefully you made your vocabulary words into flashcards because it'll be a lot easier for you to review them and type them if they're in flashcard form. You're not going to read a new chapter today, but today you're going to complete the Chapter 2 activity sheet. So if you look in your packet, you're going to see it'll say at the bottom, Chapter 2 activity sheet, and it should be in your book right after Chapter 2. And this is a preference inventory. This is so you can think about what kind of jobs you would like and the characteristics of each job. Some jobs you have to sit, some jobs you have to stand. So which do you prefer? Do you like sitting down all day at a desk, or do you like to stand up and walk around? Some people like to stay clean at their job. They don't want to get their hands dirty or their clothes dirty, and some people don't mind. So you can choose which is your preference. Some people like to work alone, which right now a lot of people are working alone at home. And then some people like to work with others. And if you like to work with others, if you're not liking being at home by yourself right now, you're probably going to fall in that category. Maybe you like to work with children or animals. If you don't like either of those, you can leave it blank. But if you would like to work with children or with animals, I know a few of you that like to work with animals. You're going to circle your preferences. You're going to go all the way through the sheet and circle the things that you like. And then you're going to look at each row on this. This is the second page of Chapter 2 activity. You're going to choose the one job in each row that interests you the most. Now, it doesn't mean that's what you want to do when you grow up or when you graduate from high school, but it kind of lets you start thinking about if it's something you would like to do. So in row 1, you have watering plants, cleaning offices, or moving patients. Like when we went to the retirement home, we saw some people that needed assistance getting to and from their rooms when we were playing bingo. So if you enjoyed that day, you could circle that. If you like cleaning the classroom or cleaning up the places around school or your house, you might enjoy that. If you like taking care of plants, you might want to make that a job. I think that would be a fun job to take care of plants. Anyway, go through each one of these rows and circle the job that's your favorite, and then in each row, and then of all of the jobs, I want you to choose one that would be your favorite and put it in that blank right there. All right, also today for your unique learning, that's the Chapter 2 activity. Then you're going to complete your science experiment. And this science experiment, it might take you a couple of days. So you might not have these things at your house. So I'm going to try to get these things together, and I'll make a video of the science experiment, and we can do it together on YouTube, or you can try to do it at your house. But you're going to need white vinegar. So ask your parents if they have that. Salt, a glass bowl, paper towels, at least 10 pennies. And you're going to need to check the date on the pennies. It says they need to be 1981 or earlier. So you're going to have to look at the pennies, and on a penny, you're going to look at the year that the penny was made. So you might have to really go through some pennies. So let's see. I've got this one. This one was made in 2015. So I'm going to look through all my pennies. I have a big penny jar, and I'm going to look through it and see if I can find 10 pennies that were earlier than 1981. So I imagine the material that they used to make pennies was different then. So try to get those things together, and then I'll make a video of this experiment and we'll do it together. And I'll post it a little bit later. Okay, bye you guys.